Champ, what are you doing? Come here. Come here. No, you're not moving until you get your belly pet. Oh, yeah. Oh, the sneeze. Oh, the sneeze. What are you gonna do now?
Hey. Let me see these pies. Let me see these pies.
Need some more? One little eye.
Here we go.
Realized it wasn't coming.
Whoa, the afro, the afro.
Back down. Belly position.